Hello guys, welcome back to F24. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Whirlpool washer F24 error code, how to fix it. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the F424 error code may indicate one or two issues. Now, the first issue is exceeding the maximum load capacity for the program or cycle designated for smaller loads. Now, if this is the case, select and initiate the rinse and spin program to finish the interrupted wash cycle. It's important not to overload the washer and to adhere to the maximum load size outlined in the program cycle guide provided in your owner's manual. Now, another issue or cause for this one is excessive inlet water. Shut off the water faucet, press and hold the power button for at least 3 seconds to drain the water. Wait until the draining process completes. So the display will show end. Now, turn on the water faucet again, and if water begins flowing into the washer without starting a program or cycle, close the water faucet, power off, and unplug the washer. Refer to the assistance or service section of your owner's manual to contact a service representative if needed. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you.